Guys, welcome. Today we are going to do some tactical motifs in Sicilian Scavenging variation. I'll be showing you some of the games, about 10 games. 10 games or so. We are going to analyze. We are going to see how the game is being played, and I will stop somewhere and ask you to find the best continuation, best tactical idea. So let us start the training session. So starting here, the move e4 and c5. Sicilian defense, knight c3, knight c6, knight f3, knight f6, d4, cx d4, knight x d4, d6, and this is the Scavenging variation. Bishop e3, a6, bishop e2, e6, and kingside castles. Okay, here the position is very much equal, and now everything goes change. Here queen c7 is being played, and knight v3. It's all stick to the theory till now. Bishop e7, and now white decides to break up the center, to attack in the center. F4, kingside castle, a4, and knight to a5. Now this move is trying to exchange this knight, okay, with a black's knight, and of course we should not allow the knight to take, because it will disrupt, create a double bounce over here. So we will take, and the queen takes back, queen to e1, okay, because the queen is hanging over here. We are attacking, and d5. Now with the move d5, black is allowing some tactical options, and you have to check what are those. Find the best move over here. I hope you have got the best move, and it's taking with the knight. Okay, after taking with the knight, the what happens is that the knight cannot be taken, because the queen is hanging, and if the knight is being taken, then queen takes the queen. Okay, that's why the queen has to move, and queen moves to um queen moves to d8, and after queen moves to d8, we can attack the queen once again, and it can no longer attack over here. It can no longer take this. Queen has to move. Queen has to move, and once the queen moves, we take this bishop over here, and with a check. So that bishop, which is very much dangerous for us, uh, is being exchanged for the knight, and it's a very good deal, because you have a pair of bishops against knight and bishop, and you are in a good position, and this game now continues. So this was our tactical motif. Now we will go for the next. So we are on the next puzzle over here. It's for black. Starting move e4, c5, Sicilian defense, knight f3, d6, d4, cx d4, knight x d4, knight f6, knight c3, e6, bishop to g5, bishop e7, d2, a6, inside castles, queen c7, bishop e2, knight b to d7, and game continues with knight to b3. Okay, this is sort of positions. So many times in Sicilian defense, this position occurs. Uh, now, um, now, black tries to gain some attacking advantages by pushing this pawn, and a3 counter attacking that, bishop b7, fianchetting the bishop, and attacking the pawn on e4 twice. It's been defended once. F3, so white had to play something to defend this pawn. He played f3. Rook, bringing the rook on the semi open file over here, is very good move, and white very well smartly takes his king out of the pin, though it's not a pin, but out of the way where both the queen and the rook are staring. Okay, now king side castle, and the move knight to a2. Now this move knight to a2, white was planning to come to b4 square, but in return he has left some advantages for black, some counter play for black, and you have to find out the best move over here. How can black black gain an advantage over white. You can pause the video. I hope you have got the move. I'll show the move. The move is knight xe4, and over here our motive for this move is that we want this queen to go somewhere else. We want queen to go either here or either here or either here. Okay, we don't want the queen to go here, don't want this over here, because or we are attacking the c7 pawn, c2 pawn, and we want that attack to be successful. So that's why we want to move the queen. And if the queen goes here, if the queen comes over here, then actually we will see that in next move. First white takes, and now bishop takes bishop. Now the queen has to move, so you would see that it's happening and sacrifice, we are sacrificing a bishop, but it's not so. You will see in couple of moves now. After queen takes, or one more option queen has is here. That's what I was talking about. If queen comes forward, then there's a move knight to e4 e5, knight to e5, attacking this queen, and the queen has no option now but to move somewhere else. So better not to do such mistake. White takes the bishop. After taking this move with a check, queen x c2 check, and after the king moves, we gain the exchange. So there's an exchange, there is an attack with the open file, open c file. There is a rook placed very well placed over here, and queen is going for an attack. There is an attack, this pawn is hanging, and the knight can come like this very well for an attack. Okay, so it's an advantageous opportunity for black. So let us go for the next. Hello guys, so here is the next puzzle. E4 c5, knight f3, d6, d4, cx d4, knight x d4, knight f6, knight c3, e6, bishop e2, a6, f4, queen c7, kingside castle, bishop e7, queen is even. Now queen even is played because we want our queen on g3. You will eventually take it. Yeah, g3, queen g3, bishop b, queen b6. Now the attack on this pawn is happening. Okay, with this move of queen b6, and we are letting that to happen. Now the attack has happened. Queen x b2, bishop to f2, and d5. Now there is really very good tactics in this position. You need to check which are the squares the queen can go. Okay, actually you can trap over here the queen. You can limit the places it can go. So see if you can get a move. Okay, then the best move is a6. Now this was the only escape move if the rook had come over here for the queen, and it has been now blocked by our pawn. So the queen has been trapped. On the next move it will be trapped, so he has to get something, and he played bishop c6, and queen is going to trap. But it was played on purpose. This move was played on purpose because there is the knight coming to attack this, which will give an exchange, make an exchange of queen, and that was what was being thought by black. Now queen takes, knight takes queen, and still it's an advantageous position. He should have because first only if he had gone for taking the knight, it was a wastage. Okay, because queen would have been there on the board, though it is a disadvantage, but still this position is being playable from black, and white has a slightly better position. Yeah, next puzzle is also for white, and let's start with the position for Scavenging Sicilian Scavenging variation. And with this move knight f6, yeah, we are to the theory. Now again, we are aiming for queen, a queen coming to g3, and the game continues like this. a3, bishop b7, attacking this pawn. Okay, it's been attacked twice, defended once, so defending pawn makes sense. G6, okay, making a solid position, which is difficult to break, and that's why we are going to break it. That's why the move g6 f5 was played. Now queen to h3 and gx f5. Now there is some tactical opportunity, because black has opened the file for and made his king very vulnerable to attacks. Now find the best move, find the best continuation, which will give advantage for the white. I hope you have found it. It's queen to h6. The motive behind this is, we want to attack this h7 pawn, and the only person who is between win against black is this knight, and we want to get rid of this knight. Okay, but this move e5 is also helping us in some way. Now also you can find the move, just think a little bit. It's a very good and tricky move, and it is rook x f5. Rook x f5 is successful because if the bishop is being taken, rook takes knight, and again if it is taken, then the pawn is being pushed. Again if it is taken, then it's in mate. It's in mate. Okay, and for this, he is really helpless. Black is really helpless, and he can't do anything. He can just take this rook for the sake of happiness, but he is mated over here. Okay, that's why rook taking rook taking this f5 pawn works. And next is being played is attacking the queen. Knight is being taken over here, attacking the knight once again, and the bishop is taken, and we are attacking the queen. Now we have a good set of attack. This knight is hanging, a rook is well placed, knight is well placed, and this bishop is aiming at the square where we ideally want the mate, and it's just advantages for white. It's a very good position for white. Okay, so let's go for next. Now let's see the next example. Again the same opening, Scavenging variation. Knight takes knight, yes, e6, bishop d3, queen c7, queen f3, bishop e7, bishop e3, knight c6, kingside castle, b5, e5, and knight to d5. Now find the best move, find best continuation. Okay, uh, what can you what can you think of in this position? So here the best continuation is probably taking the knight. Okay, that knight is attacking, and it was very too much dangerous to allow the knight to be there in the center. Now after the knight takes, queen takes, bishop to b7, we are sacrificing a pawn, and why I will tell you a few moves later. After the sacrifice, the bishop takes, and another sacrifice, and this sacrifice is made because if black accepts the sacrifice taking the bishop, we simply attack the queen, and the queen has to move now. Queen cannot come here because the bishop is there on this diagonal, and on this diagonal, and that's why it cannot come there. Also the queen can come over on this all these three squares, but either if we take if we see that the queen has come over here, then this move, that is check, is simply winning, because this king cannot come here and here. These positions are very threatening for the queen, for the king, because if the king comes here, it's in check, a discover check. Okay, not this, here, discover check, and the queen is gone. Or if the king comes here, then also it's then it's simply this move, which is pinning the king. Okay, and the king is not safe. Black can play the moves like this, simple moves. Okay, but they can't do anything with this move. King has only two options, and he is just crushed over here. He cannot do simply anything. This type of continuations will follow, more like this, and the king is very unsafe over here now. cannot do anything. It will go on simply. So the real motive is that after the knight takes, king has to go over here, and if king comes over here, it's in mate. Okay, so best continuation would be like this move. We have seen that this move is not working, so this would be the best continuation for the king.